going out to Downers Grove to check out a 400-gallon fish-only tank that we installed earlier in the year. The best is definitely yet to come. Take it easy. Teamwork makes the dream work. We were able to prove that once again as we safely placed this almost 1,000-pound tank into its final resting place. Feel free to let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Take It Easy TV. This episode of Take It Easy TV covers a 410-gallon custom-built fish-only home tank. The height is 36 inches, the length of it is 85 inches, and it's 31 inches deep. The tank was cut into the client's living room wall, and we think it really turned out nicely. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Take It Easy TV.